Welcome to Factful Fridays. In this video, we'll highlight some key safety features by Maruti Suzuki. In our previous episodes, we discussed active safety features. Now let's focus on the passive safety features designed to protect you in the event of a collision. Your safety starts with precision. The seat belts secure you firmly, while ISOFIX anchorages ensure your child's seat is just as protected. And with 6 airbags as standard across variants, every passenger is protected from every angle. Crumple zones are designed to absorb and disperse impact energy, reducing the force on the cabin. The Heartect Platform enhances structural rigidity, providing strength without compromise. So there you have it, folks. This is how Maruti Suzuki ensures you and your loved ones stay protected, no matter where, when, or how you drive. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed.